Hey guys, it's Miss Allison. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Now let's take a look at your work for Wednesday and Thursday of your asynchronous time. You'll be meeting with me on Thursday morning, so this is what you're going to be working on until then and after then. So let's take a look at what you got here, okay? So we're going to continue to build background on our novel Seedfolks to help understand it better when we start reading it. Our learning target has two pieces today. The first one is I can gain context by breaking down the article. And the second one is I can continue to explore my definition of community by responding to a prompt. We have two different tasks we're going to do, so that means we'll also have two different success criteria. Number one is I can explain where Seedfolks take place and why this is important. And number two is I have responded to a prompt using the PEA structure. Here are your directions. There are two tasks you need to complete on Wednesday and Thursday while you are not in a synchronous session. Please complete task 1 on Wednesday, and if you have time, you can start task 2. Otherwise, we'll save that for after our synchronous session on Thursday. So here's what that means. This is for Wednesday. You will spend all of English class, 8:30 to 9:45, working on this on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, I'll show you what you're doing next. So this one is your PEA paragraph. You're going to pick one of these 4 prompts and do your best to write a PEA in response, okay? So first you're going to go ahead and pick your prompt. And then down here, we can annotate that prompt. We're going to highlight and rewrite to make it make a little bit more sense. And then finally, you're going to write a point, evidence, and analysis for that to answer your prompt. So you're going to pick one of these about community, paste it here, and then after you've annotated it, answer it, okay? There are so many resources right here to help you. So you can look at the notes that we went over in class a long time ago when we did PEA. We have prompt annotation. There's a video there. This is also a video about how to write a PEA. You have your rubric. There are some sentence stems that I highly recommend that you use. And then we also have an example PEA paragraph if you need those, okay? That is your work for Wednesday. So we are just accomplishing that on Wednesday. That's fantastic. Let's look at Thursday. So after reading group on Thursday, you guys are going to have a little bit of time to do this. You're going to listen to this interview with Paul Fleischman. He is the author of Seedfolks. You're going to, as you listen, fill out these 3 questions, okay? It's 9 minutes to listen to, and you'll answer these questions as you go. That's all you need to do on Thursday. That'll be after reading group, okay? I hope this makes sense. Please let me or Mrs. Martin know if you have any questions, and we're excited to work with you.